Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea and rolling hills from your private rooftop pool. This exceptional 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home is situated on a half-acre lot and is located at Dunder, St. Elizabeth, which is near Junction Town. Inside, you will find a spacious kitchen with all the amenities a chef could desire, a sunken family room, perfect for entertaining, and plenty of room for family and friends. Outside, the rooftop pool and gazebo provide the ultimate relaxation spot, while the quiet, family oriented community offers a peaceful and secure environment. Just minutes from the developing Junction Town. This property offers the perfect balance of serenity and convenience. Call today to make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $315,500. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.